Hello everyone. Salem Phonics Academy feels excited to extend a special invitation to our upcoming February 2024 Phonics Workshop, an invaluable opportunity for teachers and parents to not only enhance their skills but also to embark on a fulfilling journey as certified phonics facilitators. Nowadays, the demand for qualified phonics facilitator is on the rise, and we empower you to meet this growing need. By participating in our workshop, you not only gain essential insights into effective phonics teaching techniques, but also earn a government recognized certificate that can kickstart your career in this rewarding field. Don't miss out this incredible opportunity. Secure your spot yearly to take advantage of 10% yearly bird offer for the first 5 enrollments. Take the first step towards a new and exciting career path. Join us for this workshop and become a certified phonics facilitator. Interested? Ping the number visible in the screen. Happy learning!